Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today I'm going to make a couple of videos to help you for our Fun Friday, for our last day of remote learning. We're going to do some fine motor activities and just have a really fun last day. So this video is going to be to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. You'll need a piece of paper and it needs to be long ways like this. And first step is to fold it in half. Again, if kids are making it, it's much easier for them to do it on the table rather than up in the air. Alright, I'm going to open it back up and turn it up so it's like a tall tower now. And first step, I'm going to take one corner and fold it into that line I just made. So it makes a triangle. Just like this. Now I'm going to do this exactly the same thing on the other side so they match up. Here we go. So I've made it pointy at the top. I now fold it back together in half like this. So I've got a pointy side and I've got a squared off side. I'm going to take one part of the squared side and I'm going to fold it down to make a bit of a triangle. Now, when you're doing this, you can do a little fold or you can do a big fold. It doesn't really matter. It might just change the way that your plane flies. So I'm going to do a big one. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to turn it over and do exactly the same thing on the other side. So here is my very basic paper plane. Now, you could do some decorations on it, you could put your name on it, you could give it a little window with the pilot, you can do whatever you like. You can also, to make them fly a bit better, put a little weight inside there. So you could get a 5-cent coin or a button or something and you sticky tape it in and it will help your plane fly further. Good luck.